Welcome to the candidate portal for the CISI CME-3A Certificate in Securities. The dashboard provides an overview of your progress in summaries, chapters read, and mock exams done. You can easily access chapter summaries, a quick cheat sheet, flashcards, and the mock exam engine from here. The chapter summaries section offers distilled expert summaries of the official syllabus. This view shows Chapter 1 and its overview, which breaks down the fundamental structure of the global financial services industry. Each chapter summary highlights key examinable areas and common pitfalls to help you focus your studying. It also provides exam tricks and additional notes for better memorization. The chapter summaries continue with important numerical values and links to other chapters covering asset classes, markets, primary and secondary markets, corporate actions, and clearing and settlement. The quick cheat sheet is a searchable reference for definitions, thresholds, and timelines essential for exam day. Content is categorized and includes terms like order-driven market and limit order. Flashcards utilize active recall to reinforce key rules and facts. You can track your progress, seeing how many cards you've mastered and how many are still under review. By clicking on a flashcard, you can reveal the answer. This interactive tool is designed to make memorization efficient and effective. The Mock Exam Hub provides 3 unique, full-length practice exams with unlimited attempts. These mocks cover different areas, including fundamentals, markets and trading scenarios, and regulatory and settlement mastery. Before starting a mock exam, you'll see details like the time limit, number of questions, and the pass mark. You can review explanations for all questions once you submit. The exam interface displays the question, multiple choice options, time remaining, and question progress, simulating the actual exam experience. After submitting the exam, you receive detailed results. The correction review provides the correct answer, your selection, and a comprehensive explanation for each question. The AI Study Tutor, currently in beta, is available to answer any questions about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics, providing expert guidance.